Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Derivative of functions. Y is equal to 6x square plus 4x minus 25. So in step 1 we get dy by dx is equal to 6 into ddx of x square plus 4 into ddx of x minus ddx of 25. So in step 2 we get 6 into 2x into 4 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 12x plus 4 is equal to 12x plus 4. Example 2, hx is equal to ax to the power x plus x to the power b plus a to the power b. So step 1, ddx of hx, hx is a function of x, is equal to dx a to the power x plus x to the power b plus a to the power b is equal to ddx of ax a to the power x plus ddx of x to the power b plus ddx of a to the power b. So we get in step 2 ddx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a plus ddx of x to the power b is equal to b into x to the power b minus 1 plus ddx of a to the power b is equal to 0 because both a and b are constant. So we get is equal to a to the power x log a plus b into x to the power b minus 1. Example 3. Fx is equal to 1 by 3x cubed minus 8x square plus 7x minus 3 log x plus 7. So step 1, ddx of fx is equal to ddx of 1 by 3x cubed minus 8x square plus 7x minus 3 log x plus 7 is equal to 1 by 3 3x square plus that is the derivative 1/3 x cube minus 8 into 2x plus 7 into 1 minus 3 into 1 by x plus 0 is equal to x square minus 16x plus 7 minus 3 by x. Example 4, fx is equal to e to the power log x. Step 1, ddx of e to the power x into d to the power log x plus log x into ddx of e to the power x. So from that in step 2 we get e to the power x by x because log x ddx of log x is 1 by x plus log x into d to the power ex because ddx of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x itself. So from that in step 3 we get e to the power x by x we take as common, so into 1 plus x log x. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.